Want to write the PLSQL block, first we need to specify in between the begin and end statements. Okay. So my program is compiled. Now my intention is what? I need to generate the sequence between 1 and 10. So by using for loop. What is the syntax? Syntax is this one. Okay. Simply you can take this one. You can specify here. Now we can change accordingly. Index variable. See here for loop is having some advantage. This variable no need to specify. Based upon your lower bound and upper bound data types only, it will consider the index value, index variable. Okay. No matter whether you are declaring earlier in the while loop and uh, this one while loop and simple loop, we should mention the data type of the variables. But for loop, no need to mention that one. Okay. I can use same variable, index variable. Lower bound, my intention is 1 to 10, right? So this is enough. No need to write the exit conditions, no need to write separately conditions and all. Okay, here I have specified the condition. Here also I have specified the condition. But in this for loop, if you are specifying the in class, okay, means if we are specifying the uh, range, then system will take automatically. Okay. Next here, what I have to do, I need to write the statements, right? I need to print dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. What we need to print? Simply, if we print the index variable, this is fine, right? Correct or not? I guess my requirement is now it's fine. I am printing the variable from 1 to 10. No matter whether you are using n number of parameters or one parameter or two parameters, doesn't matter. But my means not required the increment value, decrement value. All the times by default will taken care by for loop. But always it will increment the one and two, by one only. Okay, index variable automatically will take care. Okay, we'll see this one. What is problem? What is output? Again, T is missing. It is generating. See here, what we did early, we are taking the values and we are specifying the conditions and we are initializing and declaring and we are doing the increment ourselves everything. But for loop, no need to do anything. Or everything will taken care in the for loop itself. Means this declaration will taken care with the type of inbound and outbound variables. Okay, this declaration is also not required. By default, it will take from this one. Just you have to specify the range. What is the minimum value? Lower bound means what is the minimum value, what is the upper value. That you have to specify. Then you can use inside anything. Okay, simply it is displayed. Okay, if you want to display this one with A, I don't think so whether ABC will work or not. Yeah, you need to specify the values. Actually, it will allow some problem is there to keep take the characters. Even previous SQL class also we saw that one. There is some restriction. This is tool, right? SQL developer. If you are giving the characters means we have to specify either character, maybe some program, some functions we need to use. Otherwise, it will allow normally. That will explain it tomorrow. Some problem is there in the tool. Okay, but this will allow. Even you can print the uh, characters also. Okay, next, my requirement is I want to print values from 10 to 1. How I can do? Let's see, 10 to 1. In reverse order, I need to print. Procedure executed, but it is not displaying anything because for loop will do the increment only. Okay, so if you want to specify reverse, you have to specify keyword, I guess. This will be there in all the languages, SQL, PLSQL, and all languages it will be there. Some keyword reverse. One keyword is there that will create the negative values actually.
Changes required in for loop.
Sorry, change in the
Changes. Changes.
not getting that increment not
Ah,
required. System will take care automatically.
okay.
Reverse, I guess one keyword is there actually for the, if we want to do negative operations means one keyword we can use, that will tell you tomorrow. Okay.
So I think remove the index bar.
No, this is
Mention for var in reverse.
where in reverse. Okay, maybe. Yeah, yeah,
Remove
correct.
the index.
Yeah, correct. This will work. Oh, index variable is mandatory.
Okay.
Reverse, you have to specify the positive and 1 to 10 only. I don't want to change this one. Index variable only in reverse order. Okay, means it will take the 10 and 1. Yeah, it is generating, right? 10 9. Just keyword we need to use before specifying the inbound and outbound variables. Okay, in Python it will be right side. That's why I was using Python. That syntax I use it. That's why. Okay, reverse in SQL we need to specify in the left side. You understood, right? For loop and while loop, simple loop. Okay. By using, if you want to print by using this simple loops and all, what you have to do? Okay, you can initiate the value as 10 and you can do the increment -1 and you have to specify the condition as some value less than or equal to 1. Okay, means if it is not less than 0, then it will, like that you have to write the conditions. Okay, but for loop simply you can write the reverse keyword. Okay, next I will ask one requirement. Can anybody try? I will give one number. Okay, I will give some number 7. I need to check this is the prime number or not. How I can write? What is prime number? Can anybody tell me? Math in childhood days in mathematics it will come, right. What is prime number? Maybe for Telugu people, Pradhana Sankhya.
Number divided by 2.
Hmm?
Number divided by 2.
Number
Sorry,
divided
it's even.
even. That is either even number or odd number. If divisible by 2, then that number is called even number. If not divisible by 2, that we can say even number, odd number.
Primary number is divisible by itself only, sir.
Yes,
Itself and one more number also.
one
Ah,
one and that number itself. Okay,
self
if
numbers.
means can anybody tell me while by using code how we can do that one? Just tell me approach. Code is not not an issue. We need to check the numbers division. Okay, let's assume 1 to 7, right? I need to first, I need to check the from 1 divisible by 7, 1 percentage 7. Okay, if that is mod value means remainder is 0, then that is divisible, that is we are fine, right? Next I need to check with 2. 2 mod of 7 comma 2. Okay, if it is divisible equal to 0 means it is divisible, so 7 is not means we will get some remainder, so this won't divisible. Like that we need to check till 7. Okay, 2 3 4 5 6 7, we need to check that one. Okay, if that count is 2, then we can say that number is divisible by only 1 and that number itself. Okay, if any other number is divisible by if any other number is using dividing means that number means our count should increase means it will be more, so that number we cannot say this is the prime number. Okay, let's see how we can write that one. Can we use for loop only for that? Can I use or not? Yeah, nothing is there. I'm not explaining any concept. I'm explaining simple logic. So while explaining the logic, you should answer whether you know or no. At least you should give some response. My number, I can like that. I can specify that. Okay. Earlier I have give hard coded. Now I am declaring that value. Okay. My number equal to some. I will give some run dynamically. I will give. Okay. That will see this one. Okay. So I will give the range 1 to this number. I will remove this reverse. Okay. Rarely will use. So doesn't matter. Index variable I can say divide. Okay. Next I'm not printing the values. What I will do? I need to check the division. How I can check? Mod, right? Mod function. How I can check? By using if conditions. If mod of what is my number? Now my number is my number, right? My number, comma, what with which digits we need to check by using dividend. It is increasing value, right? So if it is 0, then I will take into one count variable. Okay, and if I need to specify, right? Then I specify. So I will take one count variable. Okay, cnt like that I will take, and I will specify the count as +1. Okay, like that I will use, and that variable I will declare here. First I will initiate the value as 0. How I can initiate? Semicolon and equal to. Okay, so first what I did, I will take the count variable. Okay, and I will increase if it is dividing the my number. So once everything completed, again I need to check if the count is more than 2, that number we cannot say prime number, right? So if my count, okay, count double equal to 2, then what we can say, dvms output dot put underscore line. Okay, this is prime number. Okay, like that we need to print. Otherwise I can say it is not the prime number. So what we need to use? Else condition, else block, right? We need to specify the else block. Else In this one, I need to specify the statement. This is not the prime number. What happened? Okay. See, I will give 7. Okay. Some error is getting. Can anybody tell me what is DBS? Okay. DBMS. Okay. All the times, first you should compare. Yeah, this number is prime number. What it will, what it did. If you want, you can check the, you can print the values. What is the, what happened inside these things. Okay. So what you will do, first you can check this one. Dividing value is this one. Divider is step by step. What happened if you want to check means simply you can write this statement, right? You can write or not. Okay, now what is count? If you want, you can check this one. Now before that, you can print the count after this loop. We don't know, right? Once we entered into loop, its system will take care of everything. Step by step, we want the explanation is we need to write the print statements and all. Normally, for the debugging perspective, we'll use the same thing only. DBMS output dot underscore line. Okay. See what will be the expected output. See, this is the program. First divider is 1. Okay, we have not given any initial values. Divider is Oracle itself will taken care that one initiation and all. So first it starts from 1, since we are specifying the lower limit and upper limit. Okay, my number we are given at runtime. Okay, so first it will take the divider is 1, and it will check the mod of my number 7 comma 1. Okay, it will check, it will return 1 only, right? If you want, you can check outside. Select mod of 7 comma 1 from dual. What it will return? Okay, if we are executing outside means simply, okay, what it will return? Mod of 7 comma 1, it is divisible by, right? It will divide, remainder would be 1. Okay, so it will check first. Okay, then that count it will increase. Before that, initial value is 0 only, right? So if it is divisible, then only it will enter into the loop. Otherwise it won't enter. If you want, you can check. If you can, you can print outside the block outside if block. If it is satisfied, then only it will enter. Otherwise it won't enter, right? So you can print here as well. Outside if block, like that you can write the statements. I will clear, I will make clear. So I will write 7. See what happened. First divider is 1. Okay, that I have printed here. Okay, entered the loop, and that time divider is 1. So it will check the condition. Okay, it will it will check 7 comma 1, it will return 0. That's why it's entered into the loop. Okay, divider is 1. Okay, inside the loop. Okay, divider is 1 and count also will get increased. Okay, 0 plus 1, it now the value is become 1. Next, what it will next what it will do, cursor will go to this step, again it will get increased. So 2 comma mod of 2 comma 2, so that time divider is 2, so it is printed outside the if block. It will go and check the condition, it will fail, it is not the 0, it is some other. So what it will do, it will skip the if block, it won't execute this one. I have mentioned only simple if block, right? So it will skip this one. So directly it will print the next statement, what is there, just I'm printing the count, still it is 1. Next what it will do, it will go and check the, again it will increase the number. Next it will, what is the value next, it is 3. Next, see it is printing, again it will check for the mod, 7 comma 3, so it again it won't return 0, that's why again it will skip this body. So it will print the next count, it's same. Okay, all the times count is same. Next, once it's reached 7, okay, 7 comma 7, that time what it will do, it will return 0 only, right? 7 by 0, 7 by 7 means it's 1, means it's divisible, right? There is no remainder for that. So that time it will, count got increased. So finally we will check with the count. Okay, if it is count equal to 2, then we can say it's prime number, otherwise it's not a prime number. You are getting or not, just I am explaining the loop how it will work. Okay, I will check for the 8. See it, what it will do, first it will insert the value 1 and the count will get increased. Next what it will do, 2, 8 divisible by 2, right? Yeah, 2, 8 by 2 equal to 4. Okay, means there is no remainder, so count get increased. Even 4 also will get, count get increased. 8 also will get, so count will increase. It's not the prime number, right? Count is not equal to 2, means it's more than 2, that's why we will say this is not the prime number. Like that loops will get executed. Okay, you can try yourself same program with simple loop and while loop. Okay, additionally what you have to do, simply you have to declare some variables and you have to write the additional conditions only. Okay, this dbms statements and all not normally not required, for your understanding purpose what happening inside, for that you can write yourself. But while deploying time, means while committing time, saving time, we should remove the this statements and all, otherwise it will, in output everything will come. For me required only in output time, whether it is a prime number or not, that we have to mention. So simply we can write this one. Now it will show that one, this is the not a prime number. Okay, this, okay, this is not a prime number, like that we will get. Okay, you understood or not loops? Guys, you should answer
Yeah.
loops and this one. I will give one more requirement. Can anybody tell me what is palindrome? If you are already aware of that one, if you know any programming languages, that will come for checking the loops and the if conditions. If you don't know, you can try the Google. What is palindrome? Google is there, right? What that my system got stuck. Palindrome. Definition I don't know. That's why I'm searching here. Palindrome. The word phrase sequence that records same backwards or forwards. Means what? What does mean? Hmm? One to one is there. If you are making in reverse order, okay, just make the reverse order. What it will come? One to one only, right? If this number and reverse number both are same, that we can say palindrome. 123 is not the palindrome, right? This, if you make reverse order, it will become 321. It is not the palindrome. If this number and this number is same, then we can say that is the palindrome. Okay, we can write that one, right? Just what we have to do, you need to make the reverse this one first. You can save this number in one number and you can save this number in another number. If both are matching, then that number we can say it's a palindrome. Okay, sometimes 1 or 2 years experience people, definitely interviewer will ask this type of questions. You can write the query, you can write the PLSQL program, whether I am giving number is prime number or not, whether my number is palindrome or not, how you can write that. Like that they will ask, interviewer will ask. Okay, just you have to practice that one, you have to build the logic. So my intention is 1 to 1. Can anybody tell me how I will make the reverse this? Okay, first I will explain the logic. I am having my number. Okay, my num, that is number. Okay, what I will do, I need to mention in the begin and end class. Okay, I will take the first last digits of the 1 to 1. Okay, last digits of the my number is here 1 to 1. Okay, means I need to take the first this one. Okay, for that what I can do, can I do check with the mod of my number comma last 10. Okay, I can take, right? If I assign some reverse number, rev number. Okay, if I write like this means I will take into this one as the one into reverse number, right? Can I do like this or not? If I want to fetch the first digits of the number, given number.
So we can consider like this.
Okay, next I want 2. How I can do? Okay, reverse number is there. If I want second number, how I can do? My number, mod of my number comma 100, I need to specify, right? Not 100. Oh yeah, 100. If you are specifying divisible, this number will be 21 will get. But if we remove this one and if I divisible by 10 for this number means already we have taken this one, right? Already we have taken into reverse number 1. Okay, next remaining number would be 12. So how I will make 12? For this one you can make the number, my number. I need to assign my, I need to change the my number, right? This time my number equal to my number by 10. Okay, what it will return? Bhagaphalam, we can say that word I don't know in English. Okay, that value will return divisor, right? Divisor or quotient, I guess, correct, right? This quotient value will be the 12. Let's see, let's play with it. Select 121 divided by 10 from duum. What it will return? 12.1. For us, not required this one. For us, only trunk. What it will return? 12. Okay. Number will allow the, what it will allow this one? Digit values. So if I mention like this, it will be the number. So what you can do, you can specify the as an integer. Okay, my number I can specify as an integer. What is integer meaning? Hmm? It will take only int values. It won't take the after digit value. So what I will do, instead of making this one 2 int, let's see what will take. Not 2 int, int of, I guess. Don't think so. Cached as int. Now we'll see. Yeah, we are getting only 12, means we are not getting any digit values. So that's why I will consider my number is integer. If I did divisible operator by 10, then I will get only this value. So next, how I can make the reverse? Okay, so for that we can initial the value as 0. Okay, number you can mention, number are same, this one also you can mention as int, and you can assign some value as 0. Okay, first time value you can do reverse int into 10, into 10 plus, is it work? See, first time what will happen? First revision number I want, right? So first what I will do, first I will take the revision number into 10, means what is first value? 0. 0 into 10, what will return? 0 only. Okay, 0 plus mod of my number comma 10. What is my number? My number is here 121. Okay, what it will return? Mod of my number comma 10, it will return the remainder of value. So 121 by 10, what it will return? It will return the 1. Okay, so 0 plus 1 will add. So here first step what will add? This will become 1. Okay, now my number should get reduced. So what I will do, I will make the division by 10. So it will take only integer, since I am taking the number only in integer value only. So integer by 10. So this value will become 12 now. So first iteration this will avoid it. My number will become 12 and reverse number will become 1. Am I correct or not? This is iteration 1. Iteration 1. Okay, next. I want to loop, right? I want to complete number. I don't want only one first number. I want complete number. For that, what I have to do? I need to make the loop. Correct, right? If I want to get the second number, means same operations I have to do for next values. So for that, what you have to do? Loop we have to do. Okay, you can write any loop. I will use while loop. Okay, for this time. I can specify one condition. This should not be 0. My number is less than or equal to 0. Okay, let's see how I will write that one. In loop we have to specify, right? So while, see now, okay, this my syntax is correct. Now what I am doing, first iteration is completed. This time the value become this one 1. Now this value become 12. Okay, am I correct or not? My number by 10 means it will be the 12 only. Okay, next it will check the my number, it is less than or equal to 0 or not. Sorry, I need to specify as greater than. Okay, if it is positive it will allow again, once again row number equal to, earlier what is my number? 1. Okay, now this time what it will do, second iteration 1 into 10 means 10. Okay, next plus, what is my number? 12, right? 12 by 10, what will return? 2. Okay, mod of 10 comma 12 comma 2 means it will 2. Okay, it will become 12. 10 plus 2 means it will become 12. And what it will do, my number is earlier 12, right? Now this iteration will become 12 by 10 means what it will return? 1 only, right? The mod of 12 by 10, what it will return? 1 only. So this will become 1. Next, this is less than greater than or equal to 1 only, right? So again it will go to this value. So what is earlier value? 12. 12 into 10, how much? 120. Next, plus mod of 1 comma 0, what it will return? 1. Okay. Next, what is the value of one, my number now? 1. 1 by 10, what it will return? 0 only. So this value becomes 0. You are getting or not? So now this value will satisfy, it will execute. Okay, it will exit the condition. So now your value is there. What is 120 plus 1? This value is 121. Now what you have to do to check the palindrome or not? If my number equal to reverse number, this is calculated value, right? This is reverse number, then I can say given number is palindrome. Okay, dbms output dot put underscore line. Okay. Now we can specify this one. Given number is palindrome. Okay, that you can specify. Else you can specify this is not the palindrome. Your number is not the palindrome. Let's see how we can execute this one. Okay. I need to specify the declare section. Okay, this should be in declare section. Let's compile. Given number is palindrome. Okay, since I have given 121, so 234 I will give. I will execute. This is not the palindrome to display. Okay, if you want to check step by step what is the values of values, whether I told, right, what is the values. If you want, you can check. You can specify the numbers. Now we can specify the my number. Okay, my number is step by step. I have whatever I explained, same thing happened or not. If you want to check this, you can write the conditions. Okay, and you can specify the reverse number or ev underscore num. Each and every step you can specify the conditions. Okay. Instead of passing this one all the times my number, simply I can write the I will print the reverse numbers after each and every step. Okay, what value will become here, what value become here, and after this one what is the value of this one. Now check this one. See, first my number will be 234, reverse number is 0. So 234 comma 0. Okay, since we are not done anything, it is checked 234 is more than 0. That's way it will display same numbers. Next, after making the reverse number 0 plus 0 into 10 0. So my number 234 written, right? It will now reverse number will become 4. Why? Because it is mod value will return 4. That's way that number become 4. Still my number is 234 only. Next what I did, 234 by 10, 234 by 10 will return 23. Okay, that it will print out. My number become 23 and reverse number is 4 as of now. Now next iteration what will happen, it will print the my number and reverse number. After that, it will make the row number. Earlier 4 is there, 4 into 10 40, it will become 40, right? Plus sorry, here it will become 40. 40. Next, what is the mod of 43 comma 10? 3. So total value become 43. That will print. Still the value is 23. After divisible, it will become 2. Okay. So like that, each and every step you can print. What I have explained, same calculations happened or not? Guys, you should answer. You're understanding or not? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, you're clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. If you are clear, we'll close today. Tomorrow onwards, we'll start actual concepts in the PLSQL. These things, if blocks, everything, printing, everything will be there in all the languages. Okay. Loops. This is mathematical things, right? Doesn't matter. Okay. This each and every step is mathematical thing only. Just you need to apply the logic. It can be it will do by using Java, by using C language, anything we can do this one. Just syntax will get changed, but logic is same for all the places. Okay, we can implement in all the languages. Just need to change the logic. So logics and all you have to take care. Okay, if today's class you understood, we'll close and we'll start tomorrow onwards cursors. Cursors is concepts of PL SQL. Okay. Can I stop the recording?